Level 8. How nice this looks.
The one and only time this will touch the bed.
First, let's check out these wheels. Really nice spinners. And they've got kind of a rubber coating on them. They should last a little longer and also make it so that they're not going to be as that hard kind of sound when they're rolling on like uneven pavement and stuff. This makes them a lot quieter, which is great. So first, we have the front compartment. How nice is this? I am gonna love this. Nice aluminum corners, which makes it a nice little added feature so that it keeps the corners from getting banged in, which is great.
So that makes it much better for a husband and wife, right? If we can be rough on it.
Yes, husbands can be rough on their luggage. Yeah, so that's nice. Nice little rivets there. So this itself, we're going to stand it up, but first we're going to look at it like this because this is going to be the laptop compartment. So when you're standing it up, again, the last time this is ever going to be on the bed, it opens up and you can access your laptop, your tablets, workbooks, whatever you want, while it's standing up. Let's check out this side. We have, look, somewhere for your mouse, for your cords. You can put some pens or anything else. And then you have another compartment here. Maybe you have some separate papers. It's about this deep here. And then you have another one down here. Check out this. A second one, so you really have the ability to keep and compartmentalize all of your separate things within your laptop, or say we'll call it a work compartment, which is great. So in the back, we'll get to the front and the middle. In the back, very nice slide. Some of them don't slide as easy. Ooh, this one feels really nice. Again, we're gonna see the height tomorrow for Doug or myself, depending on like height. Now let's check out what we have inside. The whole case itself is a really nice feeling piece of luggage, solid, and looks built really well.
Other boy things. This kind of a coarse material doesn't really scratch, so we could throw it around and everything, right?
Yep.
And then on the handles also have this aluminum reinforcement around here. And these are actually nice solid metal.
Yeah, I like those. Those are really nice. And it is an expandable case too. So let's expand it before we open it so you can kind of see how much it expands. Ooh, that's a nice expand. I mean, 2 inches? It's gotta be 2 inches.
Yeah.
So we have a nice locking system here, TSA approved, so that they can get in, and you're gonna set your code, your own code. Right now, it's always set to 000.
Well, everybody comment below what you think the boy is going to set this 3-digit code to. Because every boy does the same freaking code.
Let's open it.
Let's open it up.
Open. Look at how nice this looks. First, we're going to see what it comes with. Ooh, look at that. You can put your initials on the outside of the bag. And you get an extra TSA lock. How nice is that? That's a really nice bonus. I love that. Very thoughtful. So this little extra compartment is fabulous for putting small items, small toiletries that are TSA approved on a luggage that you can take on board the plane for a carry-on. This is a nice section, and this material, this is a really high-grade material. I mean, I don't know material, but it feels really nice.
See right here.
Yeah.
This is where the handle is.
Yeah.
So you like typically you pack your socks.
Yeah.
Or
we have it here.
shorts or whatever in there, so you don't waste all this space.
Right. But you know what? The packing cubes too, they kind of fit in those sections. But I pack smaller things in here and then put flatter stuff on top. And this is a nice, I think the quality is really nice. You have extra space to, and if you've got something packed a little thicker, when you have it expanded, you can do that. And then throw this on top. Other side, we're gonna unzip it. And look at this cute little branding, level 8. So this is a nice amount of space, I have to say. This is quite deep. Very nice. We have really nice amount of space. This is not expanded, and that's my hand. So it is cushioned because you still have your laptop, which fits in here. So again, the depth take up some of your interior space. But again, that's what you've chosen this for, because you want
Instead of the extra backpack.
exactly, like you keep your luggage here, and you know, somebody who's not traveling with a god awful amount of stuff. Me. You might just take one bag. You don't need the backpack to keep your laptop in, because it's accessible and you have everything that you need to have in this bag. And I would say this looks like a winner to me. So we are going to perhaps fight over it and maybe try if I'm able to travel lighter.
That's a joke.
See you at the airport.
So I'm really loving this bag. I'm particularly loving, you've seen me do it a couple times. These wheels are awesome on this thing. It just keeps going and going and going, which makes it nice and easy to roll. The handle is in like a perfect height for me. I am 6'2", and I got all my cool stuff here on the outside. So when I toss it up in the luggage section, I can just unzip this, take out my stuff, zip it up, and I don't have to carry an extra backpack. It's super cool. Time to board. See you later. All right, we just completed our trip to New York with the Level 8. I have tried everything that you might want to know about this. I have wheeled it around. These wheels are awesome, quiet, and you get a lot of high-speed maneuverability out of them. This compartment here was so cool. You saw me both on the plane, being able to access my equipment. You basically see I have my whole content creator collection here. All that came out of this cool, really functional front compartment. The rest of my clothing is in here waiting for me to celebrate this entire weekend and shoot some cool content. If you're looking for a great rolling carry-on bag, this is ridiculously cool. It is an absolute winner. You should get yourself one. If you want one, there's a link here on the screen or down below in the description. Both work the same way. Neither one costs you any extra money. Remember, if you're on YouTube, hit that hype function. It is so important to the channel. Like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. Hope this was helpful. See you in the next video.